Natural light plays a powerful role in how a home looks, feels, and functions, especially in a sun-filled community like Palmetto Bay. With its tropical climate and lush surroundings, homeowners here are uniquely positioned to take advantage of abundant daylight. One of the most effective ways to do that is by installing picture windows. These large, fixed windows are designed to maximize views and flood interiors with sunlight, transforming everyday living spaces into bright, welcoming environments. Bringing the outdoors in picture windows are known for their expansive glass surfaces and unobstructed design. Unlike operable windows, they don't have moving parts, which allows for wider panes and clearer views. In Palmetto Bay residences, this means uninterrupted sightlines to palm trees, gardens, pools, or waterfront scenery. More importantly, it means significantly more natural light entering the home throughout the day. This connection to the outdoors helps interiors feel more open and spacious. Even smaller rooms can appear larger and airier when natural light is allowed to flow freely. Living rooms, dining areas, and home offices especially benefit from the uplifting effect of sunlight streaming through a picture window. Enhancing comfort and mood. Natural light isn't just visually appealing, it also impacts how people feel in their homes. Bright spaces tend to feel more inviting, energizing, and comfortable. For many homeowners, increased daylight can improve mood, reduce eye strain, and create a more pleasant atmosphere for daily activities. In Palmetto Bay, where indoor-outdoor living is part of the lifestyle, picture windows support that relaxed, coastal feel. They allow homeowners to enjoy sunshine and scenic views without stepping outside, making time at home more enjoyable year-round. Energy Smart benefits. Modern picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality glass options, such as low emissivity coatings and insulated panes, help manage heat while still allowing sunlight in. This is especially important in South Florida's warm climate. By maximizing daylight, picture windows can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, potentially lowering electricity usage. At the same time, energy-efficient glazing helps maintain indoor comfort by minimizing heat transfer, keeping homes cooler without sacrificing brightness. Ideal placement for maximum light. The impact of picture windows depends largely on placement. In Palmetto Bay homes, they are often installed in areas where sunlight can be captured throughout the day, such as living rooms facing the backyard or dining spaces overlooking outdoor landscapes. Picture windows also work beautifully when paired with other window styles. Flanked by operable windows, they offer the best of both worlds: expansive light and views in the center, with ventilation on the sides. This combination enhances both function and aesthetics while maintaining a balanced design. Elevating home design and value. Beyond practical benefits, picture windows add a modern, upscale look to any residence. Their clean lines and minimal framing complement a wide range of architectural styles, from contemporary homes to classic Florida designs. The visual impact alone can dramatically elevate a room's appearance. For homeowners thinking long-term, this upgrade can also add value. Bright, sun-filled interiors are highly appealing to buyers, making picture windows a smart investment for those considering future resale. A brighter way to enjoy Palmetto Bay. Living picture windows offer Palmetto Bay homeowners an opportunity to fully embrace natural light and the beauty of their surroundings. By brightening interiors, enhancing comfort, and supporting energy efficiency, they create living spaces that feel open, fresh, and connected to the outdoors. For anyone looking to refresh their home with a simple yet impactful upgrade, picture windows are a clear choice for letting the sunshine in.